Vehicles that redefined performance. There's a point where performance stops evolving and starts getting reinvented. These machines didn't just get faster, they forced the entire automotive world to rethink what speed, control, and technology really mean. Each one changed the game in its own way, and nothing after them stayed the same. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Speed isn't always about going faster. Sometimes it's about refusing to slow down. What makes it stand out isn't just the engine, but how everything works together. The aerodynamics play a massive role here. That huge rear wing and aggressive airflow management aren't just for looks. They generate serious downforce, pressing the car into the road as speeds climb higher. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is built around that exact idea. Instead of chasing straight-line dominance, it focuses on maintaining momentum, carrying speed through corners in a way most cars simply can't. Because of that, the car feels incredibly stable, even when pushed hard. Corners that would normally force you to lift off the throttle suddenly feel manageable. It's almost like the car encourages you to go faster instead of holding you back. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 4.0-litre flat six, producing around 518 horsepower and 343 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.0 seconds, reaches a top speed near 184 miles per hour, and weighs approximately 3,268 pounds. But the real experience isn't in the numbers. It's in the rhythm. The way the engine revs, the way the chassis responds, and the way the car flows through corners creates a driving experience that feels precise and addictive. This isn't a car that tries to overpower the road, it's one that learns how to work with it. Before anything else came close, one machine quietly set the standard for everything that followed. 9. Koenigsegg Agera RS speed records don't just happen, they get shattered by machines like this. Under the rear bodywork sits a 5.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8, producing around 1,160 horsepower and approximately 944 pound-feet of torque. That incredible power launches the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, pushes it beyond a top speed of 277 miles per hour, and with a lightweight design of roughly 3,075 pounds, the Koenigsegg Agera RS doesn't try to follow the rules, it rewrites them. With its low, wide stance, aggressive aerodynamics, and lightweight carbon fiber construction, this hypercar looks fast even when it's standing still. Every curve is shaped for performance, every detail built for maximum efficiency at insane speeds. Inside, it keeps things surprisingly minimal for a car this extreme. Premium materials meet a clean, driver-focused layout, reminding you that while this is a luxury machine, its real purpose is speed. And this isn't just theory. The Agera RS actually held the world record as the fastest production car, proving that its performance isn't just impressive, it's historic. Driving this wouldn't feel calm or controlled in the traditional sense. It would feel intense, sharp, and unbelievably fast, like the car is constantly pushing the limits of what's possible on a road. Breaking records wasn't the goal, it was just the result of what happens when engineering is pushed to its absolute edge. 8. McLaren F1. Before hypercars became a trend, one machine quietly changed everything. The McLaren F1 doesn't rely on flashy futuristic styling, yet somehow it still feels ahead of its time even today. Its clean, purposeful design hides something far more important: pure engineering brilliance. From its lightweight carbon fiber body to its perfectly balanced proportions, everything about this car was built with a single goal in mind. Step inside, and it instantly feels different. Instead of the usual layout, the driver sits in the center with two passenger seats slightly behind, creating a driving experience that feels focused, raw, and unlike anything else. At its heart lies a naturally aspirated 6.1-litre V12 engine developed by BMW, producing around 618 horsepower and approximately 479 pound-feet of torque. That power pushes the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. with a top speed of 240 miles per hour and an incredibly low weight of about 2,509 pounds. But numbers alone don't tell the full story. The McLaren F1 was the fastest production car in the world for years, and it achieved that without turbochargers, hybrid systems, or complex electronics. Driving this doesn't feel assisted or filtered. It feels direct, responsive, and completely connected, like every movement comes straight from you to the road. There's no distraction, no delay, just pure control. Long before modern technology took over, this machine proved that true performance comes from precision, balance, and fearless innovation, setting a standard that still influences cars to this day. 7. Ferrari LaFerrari. There's a moment when performance stops feeling mechanical and starts feeling emotional. At the center of it all is a naturally aspirated 6.3-liter V12, combined with an electric motor through Ferrari's HYKERS system. Together, they produce a massive 950 horsepower and around 664 pound-feet of torque. The result is explosive acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of about 217 miles per hour, all while keeping the weight close to 3,495 pounds. What makes this machine different is how the hybrid system works. It's not there for efficiency. It's there to enhance performance. The electric motor fills in gaps instantly, delivering power in a way that feels continuous and relentless. And then there's the sound. Unlike most modern hybrid cars, this one still screams like a traditional Ferrari. The V12 doesn't just produce power, it creates an experience that feels alive every time you push it harder. Everything about this car feels sharp and intentional. The way it accelerates, the way it reacts, even the way it builds speed. It all feels immediate and aggressive without ever losing control. This isn't just a step forward in performance. It's a moment where technology and emotion collide to create something unforgettable. If this changed the way you see performance, hit like, because the next one takes things even further. 6. Audi R8 10 Plus. You don't always need extreme complexity to create something truly fast. Sometimes simplicity does it better. What stands out most is how approachable it feels for a car at this level. Instead of being unpredictable, it stays composed, giving the driver a sense of control even when pushing harder. The Audi R8 V10 Plus proves that idea perfectly. Its design feels sharp and controlled rather than chaotic, with clean lines and a low stance that give it a confident presence without trying too hard. It looks like it knows exactly what it's capable of. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10, producing around 610 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.2 seconds, reaches a top speed near 205 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,650 pounds. The way it delivers that power feels smooth yet aggressive at the same time. The Quattro all-wheel drive system keeps everything stable, allowing the car to grip the road with confidence even under heavy acceleration. There's a precision in how it moves, a sense that every input is translated directly into action without hesitation. It doesn't fight the driver, it works with them. You don't feel like you're struggling to control the car. You feel like you're fully in sync with it. 5. Tesla Model S Plaid. When acceleration hits this level, it stops feeling normal. There's no delay, no build-up, just an immediate surge that pushes you back the moment you touch the pedal. From the outside, it keeps a clean and simple design, but that simplicity hides something incredibly advanced. A tri-motor electric setup produces around 1,020 horsepower and approximately 1,050 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, reach a top speed of about 200 miles per hour, and carry a weight close to 4,800 pounds. What makes it different is how consistent that performance feels. Whether it's a quick launch or sustained speed, the power delivery remains smooth and controlled without any interruptions. The experience feels less mechanical and more digital, like everything is calculated and executed instantly. There's no drama, no noise, just pure, silent force. With this kind of performance, driving stops feeling like effort. and starts feeling like something entirely redefined. Speed wasn't enough anymore. This car made dominance the new goal. 4. Rimac Nevera. Going beyond what most people imagine as fast, this machine enters a completely different level of performance. Just instant, overwhelming force the moment you push it. Instead of relying on a single engine, it uses 4 independent electric motors, each controlling a wheel. That setup allows power to be distributed with extreme precision, creating grip and stability even at speeds that feel impossible. Together, those motors produce around 1,914 horsepower and approximately 1,741 pound-feet of torque. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.85 seconds, reaches a top speed of 258 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,100 pounds. What makes this car truly different is how controlled that insane power feels. Even with numbers like these, it doesn't feel chaotic. It feels calculated, like every movement is being managed in real time. There's a sense that the car is always working ahead of you, adjusting instantly to keep everything balanced and precise. It's not just fast, it's intelligently fast. Going this far into performance doesn't feel natural. It feels like stepping into a new reality where speed is no longer limited by traditional rules. Drop a comment if this impressed you, but don't miss what's coming next. 3. Lamborghini Aventador. Loud, aggressive, and impossible to ignore. This is what raw performance looks like when it refuses to be subtle. Sharp edges, dramatic lines, and that signature low stance make it feel like a machine built to stand out, not fit in. What really defines it, though, is the experience it delivers. This isn't a car that hides its personality, it shows it in the most intense way possible. Every movement feels dramatic, every response feels amplified. At its heart sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12, producing around 730 horsepower and approximately 509 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.9 seconds, reaches a top speed near 217 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,900 pounds. Unlike modern systems that smooth everything out, this car keeps things raw. The power delivery feels aggressive, the shifts feel sharp, and the sound is loud enough to completely transform the experience. There's no filtering here. What you feel is exactly what the car is doing. It demands attention, and in return, it delivers a level of excitement that feels intense and unforgettable. This machine proves that performance can still be loud, emotional, and full of character. 2. Ford GT. This machine feels like it was shaped by the wind itself. Its body is sculpted around aerodynamics, with deep channels and flying buttresses that guide air through the car instead of around it. Every detail exists for performance, not just appearance. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6, producing around 660 horsepower and approximately 550 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.0 seconds, reaches a top speed near 216 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,054 pounds. What stands out is how purpose-driven it feels. Nothing is added without a reason, from its low stretched profile to its race-inspired layout. Maximum speed with maximum stability. Instead of overwhelming you with raw force, it builds speed in a controlled, efficient way. The aerodynamics keep the car planted, allowing it to stay stable even at extremely high speeds. Like every input is calculated and refined before it reaches the road. It doesn't feel chaotic, it feels engineered to perfection. Focused on cutting through air and pushing limits, this machine shows how performance can be shaped by intelligence as much as power. Not built for straight lines, this one redefined how performance feels in corners. 1. Mercedes-AMG 1. Machines like this don't follow road car rules. They bring race technology straight onto the street. The Mercedes-AMG 1 feels closer to a Formula One car than anything else you can legally drive. Its design is aggressive, functional, and completely focused on performance, with active aerodynamics constantly adjusting to keep the car stable at high speeds. This isn't just another high-performance engine, it's a 1.6-litre turbocharged V6 derived directly from Formula One. combined with multiple electric motors to create a hybrid system unlike anything else on the road. Together, it produces around 1,063 horsepower and delivers an intense, high-revving experience that feels completely different from traditional supercars. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.9 seconds, reaches a top speed of approximately 217 miles per hour, and weighs close to 3,737 pounds. But this car isn't just about numbers, it's about how those numbers are delivered. The engine revs incredibly high, the response feels instant, and the entire system works in a way that feels more like a race machine than a road car. Driving it wouldn't feel relaxed or forgiving. It would feel sharp, focused, and incredibly precise. More than just performance, this machine represents a direct connection between motorsport and the road. That wasn't just a list of fast cars, that was a timeline of how performance evolved. Now I'm curious, which one actually lived up to the hype for you? Let me know in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.